Do you know what you drink can significantly affect your health? In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's easy to overlook the importance of the beverages we consume. Yet, these drinks can have a profound impact on our health, both positively and negatively. The liquid refreshment we opt for can be a source of essential nutrients, hydration, and even medicinal benefits. For instance, water, the ultimate hydrator, is crucial for every bodily function, while herbal teas offer a plethora of health benefits without the caffeine. On the flip side, some drinks can be harmful when consumed in excess. These beverages might be high in sugar, caffeine, or other ingredients that, when overconsumed, could contribute to health issues like weight gain, diabetes, and even heart disease. Understanding the implications of our beverage choices is a significant step towards overall well-being. So let's dive into the 7 healthy drinks you should be drinking and the 7 you should avoid. Let's start with the good stuff, the healthy drinks you should be drinking. First up, water. The ultimate hydrant, water is crucial for every bodily function and can help maintain weight by reducing hunger. It's simple, readily available, and the best part, it's calorie-free. Next, we have green tea. Loaded with antioxidants and nutrients, green tea can improve brain function, aid fat loss, and even lower the risk of cancer. It's a soothing, healthy choice, especially for those cold mornings. Then there are herbal teas, chamomile, peppermint, ginger. The list goes on. These teas offer various health benefits, from aiding digestion to reducing stress, and they do it all without a caffeine kick. Now for the coffee lovers, black coffee in moderation is a great choice. High in antioxidants, coffee may reduce the risk of diseases like Alzheimer's and diabetes. The key here is to avoid loading it with excessive sugar or cream. Moving on, freshly squeezed vegetable juice is a nutrient powerhouse. It provides essential nutrients and antioxidants without the high sugar content of most fruit juices. A glass of carrot or beetroot juice, anyone? Then we have coconut water. It's not just a tropical delight, it's a great source of hydration. Rich in potassium and other electrolytes, coconut water is perfect for post-workout recovery. Finally, there's kombucha, a fermented tea that contains healthy probiotics, which are beneficial for your digestion and gut health. It might be an acquired taste, but it's worth it for the health benefits. These are just a few of the many healthy drinks out there. They offer a range of benefits, from hydration to disease prevention. But remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person might not work for another. Always consider your individual health conditions and dietary needs when making your choices. Now let's look at the other side of the coin. Now let's talk about the drinks you should be avoiding. First up is soda. It's high in sugar and calories, which can contribute to weight gain and various health issues, including diabetes and tooth decay. It's not just the regular versions either. Diet sodas also have their own health concerns, including potential links to weight gain and heart disease. Next, we have energy drinks. Packed with sugar and caffeine, these can lead to heart issues, anxiety, and insomnia. They may give you a quick boost, but the crash that follows is rarely worth it. Pre-made smoothies may seem like a healthy option, but don't be fooled. Store-bought versions can be loaded with sugar, turning your healthy snack into a calorie bomb. It's always better to make your own, so you know exactly what's going into it. Now, let's talk about alcohol. In moderation, it can be part of a balanced lifestyle, but excessive consumption can lead to a host of health issues, including liver disease and weight gain. Always drink responsibly. Fruit juice, even when it's 100% fruit, can contain as much sugar as soda. The fiber in whole fruit helps slow down sugar absorption, a benefit you don't get from juice. So, while a small glass can be part of a healthy diet, don't overdo it. Sweetened tea may seem like a healthier alternative to soda, but it can have just as much sugar. If you like your tea sweet, try adding a touch of honey or a slice of lemon for a healthier twist. Lastly, flavored coffees. While they may taste delicious, many are high in sugar and calories, making them more akin to dessert than a healthy drink. If you can't resist, try to make them an occasional treat rather than a daily habit. Remember, moderation is key, and individual dietary needs can vary. Making healthier choices doesn't mean you have to give up everything you love. Just be mindful of what you're drinking and how often. After all, what you drink is just as important as what you eat when it comes to maintaining a healthy lifestyle. So, what's the takeaway from all this? Well, it's clear that mindful drinking plays a significant role in maintaining our overall health and well-being. When it comes to selecting healthy drinks, water, green tea, herbal teas, black coffee in moderation, vegetable juice, coconut water, and kombucha are your best bets. These drinks not only hydrate your body, but also provide essential nutrients and antioxidants. On the flip side, we should be cautious with beverages like soda, energy drinks, pre-made smoothies, alcohol in excess, fruit juices in excess, sweetened tea, and flavored coffees. These drinks may taste good, but their high sugar and calorie content can lead to various health issues. Remember, moderation is the key and individual dietary needs can vary. So, always make informed choices based on your specific health conditions and dietary needs. Remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also what you drink. Stay hydrated, stay healthy.